Anticipation of smelling that turkey and the ham for Thanksgiving. We all have a lot to be thankful for. Hi, my name is Kevin Retcher. I'm the owner of First Meridian Mortgage, and I want to be thankful to all my clients over the last 29 years of being in business. Over $3 billion worth of loans originated. Thank you, thank you, thank you. But when it comes to Thanksgiving, there's always some good news around the corner. And one of those is right here. FHA loan limits have been raised. That's right. New loan limits throughout the country, 832, 750. And then on high balance, if you're in a high balance metro area, potentially up to 1,249,125. If in fact you're interested in trying to check out your local loan limit, you can do that pretty easy on my website at firstmeridianmortgage.com. Go to the resource tab and you can click on the Fannie Mae Freddie Mac loan limits right here, and you'll get a download that you can open, and in fact that will take you to an Excel spreadsheet, and you can just simply find the county that you're in and find out your loan limit. So if in fact you were looking for, Virginia, in, let's call it Fairfax County, right there, high balance is up to 1,249,125. I've got to get used to saying those numbers, but in general, you can find that again at firstmeridianmortgage.com on the resource tab. All right, the next bit of news, which is great, is the fact that interest rates have come down over the last 5 or 10 days, and home affordability is at its best point over the last 2.5 years. So inflation has moderated a little bit, home prices have moderated, and interest rates have started to come down ever so slightly. You can check interest rates right here by clicking on live mortgage rates. If you were doing a purchase right now, 600,000, and putting, let's just say 20% down, zip code 22310, good credit, and you click on that, and very quickly you can get live interest rates right off my website. But what I want to show you right there, 20% down, interest rates are at 5.99 or below. You're actually getting paid money at that level. So we in fact are breaking that 6 threshold. And if you actually check out VA rates, those are really incredible. If you're a veteran, you could literally get 5.25 essentially with no points. So home affordability is great. You can, if you want to read the article on the Conforming Loan Limits, FHFA, you go to their website and check out their newsletter or news release, and you can also, if you want to figure out how they figure out those loan limits per county, you can check it out there. Big news here is going to be coming up December 10th is next Fed meeting. The labor numbers that normally would come out December 5th are being pushed back due to the shutdown to the 16th. So the Fed's not going to have those numbers before this meeting. They are predicting 84% chance of a Fed cut in December. If you're in the market as of right now, like I was locking a lot of loans today because the market tends to get better in anticipation of what that Fed's going to do. and then typically rates will pop up if you wait until the Fed actually cuts rates. So try to lock before next Friday if you're looking to do a refinance. So a lot of news out there. Scotsman's Guide and a lot of different articles is saying that there's been a return of the buyer's market, that inventories are up, and people are pulling homes off of the market. So if you're out there looking to buy a home and want to get pre-qualified, just give me a call. Be happy to help. If you're just looking for to get pre-qualified and get ready for the spring market, now is a good time to check your credit. Start consolidating any of your monies in your accounts if you need to. If you're buying in the spring market and you have money sitting at home and you need to get that seasoned, go ahead and deposit it, get it into the bank, okay? So that any money, large deposits, when you come to purchase, need to be in the bank in your name for at least 60 days. So now is the time to start thinking about if you're going to be buying in the spring market, that you just want to have a good phone call with a loan officer and just say, this is where I'm at. And is there anything that I should be doing to get prepared? You can start looking at those numbers. Maybe with the interest rates coming down, you don't have to wait till spring. And in fact, you can get into the market just a little bit sooner. So that is today's market update. Rates are lower right here before Thanksgiving. Typically tomorrow, bond traders take a half day. So rates could tend to get a little bit worse tomorrow. And then once they're back on Monday, we have about 5 days before I feel that the Fed meeting effect will come into play, and then people are going to wait on the Fed, and rates may get worse come 12/10. So that is your market update today. It is 11:25. Have a super safe, happy Thanksgiving. Play some games with your family. Spend some good quality time. I know that's what I'm going to be doing. Talk to you soon.